Assalamualaikum and hi my dear children. How's your study? Hope everything is going smoothly. Okay, now I'm going to ask you, do you love to read or watch a scary movie? Yes, I love to watch it too. Today, I'm going to tell you a scary story. So, you have to listen carefully, okay? Okay, now, listen. Pak Johan owned an organic vegetable farm. He was able to grow good organic greens because of his Scarecrow. But Johan built the Scarecrow himself and made it as scary as possible. He gave it animal straw arms that stretched out about 2 meters and big, long legs. The scariest thing about the Scarecrow was its head, which was made of a huge earthen pot. The Scarecrow's face was so scary and ugly that even he was scared to look at it. It was very effective, scaring away every bird that tried to eat his vegetables. The neighboring farm owners, Man and Lan, were jealous of Pak Johan's success. One night, they stole his Scarecrow and locked it in the house. The next day, Pak Johan realized his Scarecrow was missing and his greens were eaten up. He was devastated. That night, the brothers had trouble sleeping. They could not get the image of the Scarecrow's horrible face out of their minds. Man took out the Scarecrow, smashed its head with a hoe, and buried it in their lawn. At midnight, they heard scratching and clawing sounds at their door. Suddenly, the door burst open and a long straw arm sneaked in. The man froze in fear. They looked in horror as the headless Scarecrow's body rose up. It caught Lan's neck. Lan shouted for help, but Man had already made his way onto the moonlit road. Man kept running. He glanced back over his shoulder and saw the Scarecrow chasing after him. It was getting closer and closer to him. He noticed that the Scarecrow had a new head and it looked like... Okay, my dear children, how do you think the story ended? So, don't forget to leave your comment below. Hope all of you enjoyed the story today. Okay, next I'm going to tell you the meaning of the words or phrases involved in the story. Organic. Something produced without using artificial chemicals. Animals. Extremely large. Stretch out. Put out long arm. Devastated. To feel very shocked and sad. Effective. Producing successful result. Take out. To remove it from its place. Okay, my dear children. See you next time. Bye.